market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York PM session. Today is July 16th, 2025. I'm currently short in a position in Bitcoin. This is my fourth and final trade of the day. It seems that there's been some indecision or some consolidation here in today's range. Quickly go through my previous trades. So took a trade here during the London silver bullet kill zone. Not much displacement here when I took this position, but just trying to get in the habit of executing. So I went on and took it, but swing low here, very minor swing low, but a swing low nonetheless. Some displacement, very little displacement. Took the pullback here on the order block, and then stopped out. And you can see price goes the other way here. Then we move into the New York AM session here. Missing an order block. Missing a fair value gap here. So there's a fair value gap here during the during the New York AM silver bullet time zone or time window. So I was waiting for a pullback to an entry here to this order block, but never got an entry here. So this price action went without me. Then price, you can see there's a market structure shift right here on the 5-minute and a fair value gap right here. So when that formed, I made a limit order for this order block right here, and then took an entry in this candle here as it traded into this order block. Then price action delivered to the sell side here, pullback, consolidation, and then I'm stopped out as buy side was delivered here. Then here in the PM session, was considering waiting for the silver bullet time window, but this potential trade here set up. So you can see this displacement that stopped me out of the short position, and then trading this to the long side. I believe the issue here, let me go in and double check, just may have been, what time was this? 11:20. Okay, I know what the problem with this is. This was actually not a valid trade. This is an uptrend, and it was uptrending here. So this trade was not valid. I want to take reversals, and this would have been a continuation at 11:20 here. This the market structure was to the long side, so a long trade here would not be valid. So this is an invalid trade. I need to make a note of that. Making a note of this. Okay, so one unnecessary trade today. These things happen. Things are going to happen. Mechanical errors, this, that. You have to step away from your station. lots of things can occur. This is just trading. It's not always pretty, but it is trading. So just understanding at that point, I took an unnecessary trade and took an unnecessary loss. Now I can see why that trade lost so easily. I was wondering when I stepped away from my station after an entry, how I wound up exiting this trade so quickly. But now, looking at the 15-minute chart and seeing that there was an uptrend, I believe I must have just, I don't know, flipped my position just because I got stopped out. I'm not sure what I was thinking. I was like, man, it's just trading. But I'll actually make another note of that. Well, I don't think I need to make a note of that. I mean, I recognized it after the fact, but certainly need to be more aware. And to me, what I'm really trying to focus on my trading right now is reducing errors. But I'll show you what I have going on in my current position, which is right here. So we have this displacement right here that also coincides with a market structure shift here. That this candle brings in a market structure shift here. Also here and here are fair value gaps here. So choosing a target, I always want to choose the deepest candle because I'm looking at this as an order block series of candles and then trying to choose an entry. This fair value gap in this order block here, or this order block candle, being most interesting, but also being the most risky in case price doesn't reach back into this area. So I wound up setting an entry for this candle, for the low of this candle, which is in the order block series of candles here, but the risk to reward was just at 3 to 1. So if I'm going to take a position, I need at least a 3 to 1. So since this met the criteria, and since I'm unaware where price action may pull back to, if at all, just setting some low-hanging fruit since it was readily available. And then for stop loss just above the swing high of the fair value gap series of candles. So my stop loss, you can see here where this green line is 119,650, with the high of this candle being 119,649.8. So a 10-cent spread on Bitcoin. I give it a 20-cent stop. Target, I will I'll calculate a measured move based off of the fair value gap swing leg here, and I will take a position 175% of this range. So this range here being 100%, I tack on another 75% to the range, and that has me at take profit here at 118,225.6. This also coincides with this area of liquidity. Coincides with this area of liquidity here. You can see these equal lows here, or near equal lows. So I would be looking at this as an institution or market maker would want to target this sell side liquidity pool that's resting down here. Also, if we come up to or go over to the 15, you'll see this area correlates with this area here, where there's going to be an amount of sell side liquidity. Also here, there's a fair value gap here, so it's also coinciding with rebalancing this fair value gap area here. This looks like a good area for taking profit, and the only reason why I've selected it is just because it's just came out of the measured move of 175% of the displacement. Right now, getting pulled back to my entry here, or near my entry. Price consolidating here between 119.250 and 119.280. Price approaching 119.300. Price trading just below my entry here at 119.292. Now 297.9, 119.298, 119.320. Some buy side delivery here with speed. And new 15-minute high. So now liquidity's been swept on the 15-minute chart for anyone who would have gone short in the previous 15-minute candle. So overall today, just consolidating here within this range that price action is currently in. Bitcoin having a difficult time, or providing a difficult time for anyone trying to trade outside of this range, myself included. Price now testing the swing high on the 15-minute here. And getting some sell side delivery. Price consolidating between 119.350 and 119.380. $119,400. Buy side delivery here. 119,420. 119,450. Price testing the swing high on the 15-minute again. This swing high being here, coinciding with here on the 5-minute. 119,480. 119,500, 119,520, buy side delivery with speed, and into the order block that I wanted to get into, but did not. Price still trading higher, 119,550. 119,580. Looks like I'm headed for another stop out here. Price consolidating here, 119,580, 119,550. New 5-minute candle, getting some sell side delivery here, just slightly, 119,550. 119,5, 119,480, sell side delivery with speed, consolidating here at 119,500. Likely gonna get stopped out here, but I may put an itsy bitsy little piece on this. get stopped out before I get a chance. Let's try it. Getting a reaction here from the FEG swing high. Not the best trading day in the world today, at least not from me. But better than days where I've made more money. Just because I'm aware of what I'm doing more. Certainly not perfect on that, as I took an unnecessary trade and an unnecessary loss. But mistakes will happen in anything that you do enough of. $119,550, $119,520, sell side delivery here, $119,480, consolidating here, $119,500. Sell side delivery here, $119,450, consolidating, $119,500. Price holding here, 119,504.8. Or possibly my station is, or my platform is frozen here. Yeah, my platform froze. Alright, let's restart. Let's see where we're at. Okay, alright, getting some sell side delivery here. 119,500 being the level currently. Slight sell side delivery. Potentially some continuation here. Sell side delivery here, consolidation. Price still consolidating at the 119,500 level. Whatever Bitcoin is going to do this afternoon is likely going to take some time. So I'm going to let this trade work itself out one way or the other. And then revisit things after the session to review some more on what I've traded today and prepare for the London session coming up. But this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the